Hey everyone, get ready for the AI Tools Throwdown on April 22nd. Run your AI to win a 60-day Pro Pass Plus credits. No sign-up needed. Score extra for top creativity and even offline tools snag creds. Team for more points. Keep it original and up to snuff. Prizes sorted quick after May 9th. Check your bank for the payday. Let's create awesome AI tools and rock this. First, how to publish iTool. Click Publish in the upper right corner. Supplement the information of AI tool and choose the correct area and tag. Open the settings you want users to modify. Upload a suitable cover. Click Publish and you're done. Next, I will explain the tutorial on how to set up a workflow. Don't go away, the excitement will continue soon. Let's start by constructing a basic workflow for text-to-image generation. Then we create a new blank workflow. First step, we right-click twice, search for load checkpoint, and then click to add. Just go with the first one. We can make a simple comparison. Load checkpoint is equivalent to the model in the workspace. For the second step, we continue to double-click on a blank space, and then type LoRa loader. Just select the first one. If we compare this node with the workspace, it functions similarly to LoRa. Let's proceed to add more nodes. Double-click on the blank area and input clip text and code prompt. This time, we're going with the first one as well. This node only represents the positive prompts, which means we also need an identical node for the negative prompts. I assume everyone is also aware that this section of the node signifies the prompts area within the workspace. Let's keep adding nodes. Double-click the blank area. Let's input sampler. Select the first one that appears. Alright, this is the one. It represents the sampler method within the workspace. Next step, add the VD code. Choose the first node that appears. VD code represents the V model in the workspace. It's an indispensable node for generating images. After adding the VD code node, you would proceed to add the Save Image node to save the generated image. With the Save Image node, you can save the generated images. Great. Let's proceed to add the last node of the workflow. Double-click on the empty space in your workflow, and then search for, or type an empty latent image to add this node to your workflow. Alright, all nodes have been added. Next, we're going to connect these nodes together. First, let's link the model from load checkpoint with the model in load LoRa. Then, we'll connect the model from load LoRa to the model in sampler. Then, let's connect the clips in these three nodes. Following that, we connect the two conditioning separately to the positive and the negative sections. Then, the last node of sampler should be connected to the empty latent image. The output node of the sampler connects to the VAED code. Finally, the VD code links up to load checkpoint. After connecting everything, let's proceed to select the model. Let's pick a model. I've chosen a model of SDXL. Then let's pick a LoRa too. Here, let's first choose a LoRa for the SDXL to add more details. Then we can create images by entering some prompts. Let's first generate a simple apple tree to see the effect. Next, let's head over to the clip text and code prompt node below. Don't forget to input some prompts for the negative prompt too. Alright, the preparations are basically done. Let's click generate and check out the results. The results are in, and an apple tree has popped up in the Save Image node. Next, we're stepping things up a notch. I'll walk you through how to set up a workflow for converting line drawings to a 3D style. First off, let's swap out the empty latent image node with a VAE encode node. Click and drag out from the pixels within the V encode. Then, among the options that appear, select the load image node. Then connect V encode and load checkpoint together. Then we double-click the blank space and search for the image invert node. Connect it with load image. Then search for the apply control net node. Then connect it with image invert. Then we pull out the green control net node and search for control net loader. Then we select the SD 1.5 linear model in the control net loader. Just gotta link the clip's prompt conditioning to the control net's input. Then hook up the control net's output to the sampler's positive. Then we add VLoader and connect it to VDecode, and then select the last model. Alright, there's only one last part left to finish. First we select Yoti PVC 3D print on the model and blind box on LoRa. Then we enter a cartoon character, 3D rendering, C for D rendering, I'll enter rendering on the prompt, then move to the bottom, where I have prepared some negative prompts in advance. I will announce these prompts at the end of the video. Next we need to adjust CFG in sampler. We need to lower the value from 8 to 7. In the last step, we upload the black and white line drawing prepared in advance to the load image node, and then click generate to see the final result. Alright, a workflow that can run successfully is set up. The above is the ComfyUI teaching video for this issue. If you like our video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any valuable opinions, you are also welcome to comment.